In this video, we're going to be talking about moving an equation of a line from point-slope form to standard form. Point-slope form is usually written with one set of parentheses, and standard form is written when x and y are both on the same side of the equal sign. This can be done in 3 steps to distribute the slope, move the y1 number to the other side, and then move the x term to the other side. So our first step is to distribute our slope. The letter m represents our slope, so in this case, -1/2 is going to be our slope. Distribution means to multiply, so our goal is to try to get rid of these parentheses. So we're going to take this -1/2, we're going to multiply it to the terms that are inside of our parentheses. Anytime we have a letter that doesn't have a number right in front of it, that represents a +1. So we're taking -1/2 times +1x, which is still going to give us -1/2, and I'm just going to bring the x down right next to that, -1/2. -1/2 times +6 is going to get us -3, and the y minus 6 is going to stay the same because we haven't touched it yet. So multiplying this slope to the terms inside of our parentheses is going to help us accomplish that first step. Our second step is to move the y1 number to the other side of our equation. So in our point-slope form, our y1 number is this number right here being subtracted from our y. So right here we have -6 as our y1 number, and our goal right now is to get y by itself. So the opposite of minus or negative is positive, so I'm going to add 6. I'm going to add it to this -3 because those are like terms. This 6 doesn't have an x next to it, and the 3 also doesn't have an x next to it, so we're going to combine those. I'm going to bring down the y, the equal sign, the -1/2x, and -3 plus 6 is going to get us +3. This right here is our slope-intercept equation. Our slope-intercept equation is always going to look like y equals mx plus b. So these first 2 steps get us to that slope-intercept equation. That accomplishes step 2, but if we want to move it all the way to standard form, we're going to have to do one more step. So our equation is currently y equals -1/2x plus 3. And we're going to move our x term, which is our last step, that moving the entire x term to the other side of our equation. If we look at our standard form equation, we have x and y on the same side of our equation. So we need to move this entire term with x to the other side. So -1/2x, we have to move it over to be with y. It's currently negative, so the opposite of negative is positive. So we're going to add 1/2x to both sides of our equation. These are not like terms because they're different letters. So all I'm going to do is write 1/2x plus y. This y is positive, so I'm going to write a plus sign. And the only thing left on the right side of our equal sign is a +3. So now it is currently in the standard form equation. So we have accomplished all 3 of our goals and moved it from point-slope form to slope-intercept down to standard form.